Alright, today we're going to show you how to put a winch on a Massimo Mini Jeep right on the front bumper right here. So this is everything you need. I went and made a special plate. I'll go show you that here in just a second. It's drying. I bought the 2500 ZXR Badland winch from Harbor Freight. I've got a winch plate, a Fairlead, and then when you talk about tools, I went and also bought, by the way, I made my own plate, so I went and bought a sheet of metal from Lowe's, and then I cut two little pieces out. I'll show you the plate here in just a second. But as far as tools, once again, you'll need a Sawzall with a metal blade, a metal grinder, a metal drill bit the size of your bolt holes, right? I won't get into specifics, whatever you're going to use. And then tools, I just got a wrench, a socket, and a Phillips screwdriver. In the winch kit, there's the control module that goes with it. That end connects to the winch right there. Then you got to mount the control module, the circuit breaker, and then that end goes to the battery. We're going to show you how to mount that right here on the front bumper of this Mini Jeep, properly right there in the center. And I also went and bought 3.5-inch bolts and washers and lock nuts for this project as well too. Once again, those are 3.5-inch, and then the plate I made is right here. It should be dry by now. It's right here is the plate I made, and it's just 2 layers of that metal, matched out the holes and drilled the holes, and was able to make that plate for this project here. For the bottom side of that. So this is the back side because it's got a little bit more meat. So we're going to put that towards the back when I line it up with that. So we're just going to show you, get that all mounted up here. I'll show you how I mount it up once I get it all done, and we'll be right back. Alright, so here's the final winch installed on the Jeep. I love it. You can see it right here. It's the ZXR2500 from Badlands. We got the new Fairlead on there. I might get one of those puck stoppers though. We'll see. But install was very easy. I did have to, once again, make my own plate. There you can see the plate. 3.5 inch 5/16 screws and bolts. I did have to add some extra washers in there. You can see to make that work because they're not threaded all the way through there. But it works really good. On the inside, let me show you how I ran the wires. So the wires come, through the grill, obviously right there, to the controller box right here. I just zip tied it on. It's pretty good. It's not touching anything hot. Then I ran the wires down the front of the frame, all the way back here to the controller. And then the hot and red are both connected to the battery right there for you. Works really good. So this is the remote it comes with. It also came with a controller that you can plug into that box right there, but we won't ever use that because it comes with this awesome remote. We can turn it on right here. So now the remote's on. Let me get the key out of the way. Now the remote's on. And then I can hit extend. And then it will extend out. Or I can hit retract. And it retracts in. Whoa. That's a big squeeze at the end right there, but that thing is tight as shit. It ain't going nowhere. Alright, but I love it. Works perfect. Next we'll show you how we load it up on the truck.